Hello everyone, today I will give a brief introduction to chemical manufacturing wastewater. This industry is a key driver of Malaysia's economy, covering sectors like petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, agricultural chemicals, plastic and solvents. However, it also generates hazardous wastewater from its process, which often contain harmful substances such as strong acids, heavy metals like mercury and lead, volatile organic compounds, and other toxic or synthetic chemicals. These pollutants, including high POD and COD levels, make chemical wastewater more difficult to treat than domestic waste. If not properly managed, it can contaminate surface and groundwater, disrupt aquatic ecosystem, and cause serious health effects like hormonal disorders, neurological issues, or even genetic mutation. Therefore, advanced treatment methods such as physical, chemical, and biological processes are essential. In some cases, technologies like advanced oxidation processes and filtration membranes are used, along with strict enforcement of environmental laws by authorities like the Department of Environment. This report will further explore the characteristic, impact and control strategies for this wastewater to support sustainability development and protect public health. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Aruna Naparuban Muniandi. Today I want to talk about layer of the pen. Okay, first air goes through a filter to remove dust and then get compressed. At the same time, ammonia is heated in the vaporizer, turned into the gas. The air and ammonia mix and enter the reactor where they react to nitric oxide. The hot gas pass through a waste heat boiler to save energy, and filter remove any remaining particle. After cooling and condensation, the gas move into the absorber. There water react with gas to make final product. The leftover gas leave through the top and the product is collected. Okay.
Then we move to wastewater treatment process in chemical manufacturing, highlighting the key stage for managing industrial effluent effectively. The process begins with the generation of wastewater during activities like mixing, heating, and chemical reaction. This water often contains BOD, COD, VOC, heavy metal, and other toxic compounds. The first step is pre-treatment, which includes screening to remove large solid, pH adjustment, and equalization to stabilize flow and load. Next is the primary treatment stage using the biological method like activated sludge or biofilm reactor, along with aeration and secondary clarification to remove organic matter and separate biomass. The resulting sludge is sent to a sludge handling unit for a thickening and dewatering, then disposed of by landfilling or incineration. After that, advanced treatment follow. This involves sand or carbon filtration, advanced oxidation process, and membrane technologies like ultrafiltration or reverse osmosis to eliminate remaining pollutant. Finally, the treated water is disinfected and safely discharged, meeting environmental regulation to protect public health and ecosystem. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rubin. Today I will explain about influent and effluent from a chemical manufacturing plant. Influent is the dirty water from factory processes. It may contain chemical, oil, dirt and harmful substances. This water goes into a treatment system called IETS. After treatment, the water becomes effluent. Effluent is much cleaner and safe to release into drains or rivers. It must meet government standards. Next, it's about compliance in Malaysia. In Malaysia, factories must follow the Environmental Quality Act 1974. They must treat their wastewater properly, keep pH between 6 to 9 and reduce the pollution levels. They need to test water often, report to Department of Environment (DOE) and hire a trained person called CEPIETSO. If not followed, the factory can get a fine up to 500,000 ringgit Malaysia and or even get jailed.
For the conclusion, first, chemical manufacturing creates harmful wastewater that must be treated to protect the environment and public health. The wastewater contains dangerous pollution like heavy metal, toxic chemicals, COD and POD. Proper treatment includes steps like pH adjustment, biological treatment, sludge handling, and advanced methods like membrane filtration and oxidation. Second, invention industry must follow law like the EQA and FUO regulation. Discharge standards like standard A and standard B help keep water sources safe. The last one is industry must use certificate workers and maintain proper treatment system. Treating wastewater properly supports sustainability, protect water, and ensure industry can continue to grow safely.